Hello, and welcome to the e-learning library of the Erasmus Plus project Dance for Inclusion, where you will learn about dance as a powerful vehicle for inclusion. In this training programme, you will learn about the use of dance as a means to promote inclusion, as well as understanding the role of dance in promoting cultural awareness and cohesion, recognising the value of cultural diversity in dance, and methods of working with cultural differences and how to tackle them in a positive and inclusive way. In today's lesson, we will explore the necessary skills needed to effectively run a project or event using dance to promote social inclusion. The good news is that all of these skills can be improved, so please feel inspired and encouraged to research methods on how to build on these skills. Number 1, communication skills. Communication skills refer to a collective group of skills needed to communicate effectively with another person. They allow you to understand and be understood by others. More than that though, good communication and conversation skills allow you to connect with people and build strong relationships. Number 2, problem-solving skills. This is the ability to identify problems, brainstorm and analyse answers, and implement the best solutions. Building on your problem-solving skills will allow you to think of new ideas and better ways of doing things, and improve your capacity to explain, which will help you to make it easier for other people to understand things. Number 3, building knowledge of integration best practices is equipping yourself with the necessary skills, knowledge, and capacity to overcome cultural barriers. You can do this by investing in global citizenship training and building the cultural knowledge of your team by holding development workshops. You can promote culturally sensitive communication skills. If you have international participants who don't speak English fluently, you must guide your team members in communicating effectively. This could involve encouraging them to stick to the point, use simple language, and avoid using humour and colloquialisms that may be difficult to understand. You can also promote good manners. Promoting good manners in any environment is essential to building cultural awareness, improving emotional judgment, and managing diversity. Demonstrating polite and respectful behaviour is crucial for building trust and forming strong relationships. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something valuable. To continue this training and find out more information on how to use dance as a method of inclusion, please watch our next video. Thank you. Bye.